Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. So this video is just going to be a quick unboxing of my latest Rolex purchase. For this particular timepiece, I was on my local AD's waitlist for just over 2 years, and it finally arrived, so let's check it out. And inside we have the no date Submariner. So this is kind of like their most notable diver that's out there. Really like the symmetrical dial and how legible it is. Let's take a listen to the bezel action because I hear it's outstanding. Oh yeah, that bezel is so smooth yet very refined where you can actually feel each individual click. And I'm a huge fan of the clasp that the Rolex Submariner has. And this one is the 41mm case diameter with a 70-hour power reserve on the automatic movement. So why don't I take it off the pillow and get this on wrist. I can tell you that with my wrist size being 7.5 inches or 19 centimeters in circumference, you typically don't need to remove any links for me for most Rolex models. All I had to do was move in the glide lock system on the clasp about halfway, and this thing is good to go. And it just fits like a glove too. So I'm super stoked to be having this model in the collection. It might be a little bit disruptive. I don't know what's going to happen to my Explorer. I'll probably hang on to that as well, but very nice Rolex. Super stoked to get the call. And I'll be doing more of a long-term review on this channel in the future. So please subscribe and hit that like button if you like the content. And stay tuned for more on this particular timepiece. Thanks, and I'll catch you guys later.